In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of TradingView chart. Whether you prefer a dark workspace to reduce eye strain or a lighter look for presentations, adjusting the chart's background color can make a big difference in comfort and clarity. Start on your TradingView chart and look for the small gear icon. It usually sits on the chart's toolbar or along the top of your chart window. Click that gear icon to open the chart settings panel. This is the control center for how your chart looks and behaves, and it includes all the color options you'll need. Inside the settings panel, find and select the section labeled Appearance. On some versions, this same section may be called Canvas. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different. Both lead to the same place where you control the visual style of the chart area. Once you're in Appearance or Canvas, you'll see options related to the chart's look, including grid lines, session breaks, and most importantly, the background. Locate the item labeled Background. Next to it, you'll see a color box showing the current background color. Click that color box to open the color picker. Here you can choose from preset swatches or move the selector to dial in a custom shade. As you explore, keep readability in mind. A darker background with lighter candles and text can be easier on the eyes during long sessions, while a lighter background can make details stand out in bright environments. If you prefer precise control, use the color picker to fine-tune saturation and brightness until the chart looks balanced and the price bars, grid, and text remain easy to read. When you're happy with the color, confirm your choice by clicking OK if the picker prompts you to do so. In many cases, TradingView applies the change instantly, so you'll see the background update as soon as you make your selection. Take a moment to glance over your indicators, price scale, and time scale to ensure everything has good contrast against the new background. That's all there is to it. You open the chart settings from the gear icon, went to the Appearance or Canvas section, and changed the background color by selecting a new shade and confirming. A thoughtfully chosen background can reduce visual fatigue, improve focus, and make your charts feel more personal and professional. If you ever want to experiment further, you can return to the same appearance area and adjust the color again just as easily.